How to fix Discord mic not working. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can fix if your Discord account's mic is basically not working. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. If your Discord application's mic is not working, there are a couple of things that you can do. The very first thing you can just try to do is open the Discord app. Click the gear icon from the bottom of the screen as you can see user settings. Then you're going to be taken to this page where you simply want to scroll and then look for the option called voice and video under app settings. Once you're in voice and video, here you can see your input device. Make sure a proper one is selected and the output device is also correctly selected. Then after that, if you're having issues with the mic, here you can see let's check option. You can just click on this let's check option in order to go ahead and then basically test your connection or your mic. Once you've done that, you can also see voice activity or anything else, and then you should be good to go from here onwards. Now, if that doesn't work, then what I want to do is in the search box, you can just go ahead and type in microphone over here. Once you go ahead and type in microphone, go to microphone privacy settings. Once you go to microphone privacy settings, make sure it is turned on and make sure to look for the Discord application here, and also make sure Discord app has also turned on microphone access. Hopefully one of these may have helped to solve your problem. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.